A turboprop engine is a variant of a jet engine that has been optimized to drive a propeller. Turboprop-equipped aircraft are very efficient at lower flight speeds, less than Mach number 0.6, burning less fuel per seat mile, and requiring significantly less runway for takeoff and landing than a turbojet or turbofan-powered aircraft of the same size. When the aircraft is used over relatively short distances, these cost and performance benefits offset the lower speed, making turboprops the engine of choice for most commuter aircraft. Examples of turboprop-powered aircraft include the Bombardier Dash 8, the Alenia ATR-42, and the Pilatus PC-12. In this video, we will discuss some of the fundamentals of turboprop engines. A turboprop engine uses the same principles as a turbojet to produce energy. That is, it incorporates a compressor, combustor, and turbine within the gas generator of the engine. The primary difference between the turboprop and the turbojet is that additional turbines, a power shaft, and a reduction gearbox have been incorporated into the design to drive the propeller. The turboprop uses a gas turbine core to turn a propeller. Propeller engines develop thrust by moving a large mass of air through a small change in velocity. Propellers are very efficient and can use nearly any kind of engine to turn the prop, including humans. There are two main parts to a turboprop propulsion system: the core engine and the propeller. The core is very similar to a basic turbojet, except that instead of expanding all the hot exhaust through the nozzle to produce thrust, most of the energy of the exhaust is used to turn the turbine. There may be an additional turbine stage present, which is connected to a drive shaft. The drive shaft is connected to a gearbox. The gearbox is then connected to a propeller that produces most of the thrust. The exhaust velocity of a turboprop is low and contributes little thrust, because most of the energy of the core exhaust has gone into turning the drive shaft. Because propellers become less efficient as the speed of the aircraft increases, turboprops are used only for low-speed aircraft like cargo planes. High-speed transports usually use high-bypass turbofans because of the high fuel efficiency and high-speed capability of turbofans. A variation of the turboprop engine is the turboshaft engine. In a turboshaft engine, the gearbox is not connected to a propeller, but to some other drive device. Turboshaft engines are used in many helicopters, as well as tanks, boats, and even race cars in the late 1960s. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.